So here are some ways to help with the development of Detache. These are just little methods to help, little parts of Detache. Fundamentally, your teacher should probably help in deciding, or you can experiment yourself and decide, which of these exercises you need to do. The foundation, one of the most important things to remember no matter what, is to keep the distance between the stick and the hair consistent. So very often we get very kind of sophisticated and play like this. Actual detachment, right? Okay? And when you actually detach in that way, that's not Detache, okay? Especially the modern Detache. And this is where this basic misunderstanding of the stroke and the desire for many young musicians to get the more elegant, pretty sound by getting a more brushy kind of a sound leads to the downfall of the most basic bow technique, which is Detache, leading to like physical, technical, and sometimes understanding, like comprehension problems in the more advanced strokes. So this is quite important to keep the hair flat as much as possible, keep the distance between the stick and the hair consistent, little pressure there. And to keep the speed and the weight consistent, right? Some exercises that can help. Obviously, you can apply the stroke to a scale. I would recommend open strings or scale before to get the feeling of the stroke, like really feel it and see it, before you try even something as simple as wolf art. Or Kreutzer number 2. Or the Bach Allemande, which I suggested in the other video. I apologize for that sound, ugly sound. Wow, I'm going to obsess over that now. But in any case, before you apply the stroke to those more advanced combinations of notes, make sure you get the feeling in the open strings and scales. Now, you can try different finger combinations to help you feel the Detache and feel actually the transfer of pressure and weight into the stick more. So you could push, okay, with your index and your middle fingers, okay, into the stick, and lift the other fingers so that you really feel, the contact more in those fingers. Okay, and you could also try the middle fingers like this. And this will help you feel the contact between the weighted, the pressure fingers and the bow in a more active manner. Okay, so you could try the scale. Right, and same thing, the middle fingers. Okay, so that's quite important and helpful to do those variations. And after you feel comfortable with those variations and doing it with open strings and scales, make sure that you really get the feeling. Okay, get that feeling of contact between the index finger and the bow, that little pressure, as well as that more pull-like feeling between the middle fingers and the bow. Okay, and once you get that feeling, you're pretty much set, because once you get the feeling, basically you'll be able to pull on the, try to recreate that feeling whatever you're playing. Okay, all right, good luck, bye.